All right, guys, we are here at Momentum Motorsports, and we have a new build for the channel. Boom! It is a Mk3 Toyota Supra, and with this project, like our last one I was building that had a lot of rust on that shell, this shell is pretty clean. Almost basically zero rust on it. As you can tell, it has no motor. Show you here. Boom, no motor. So for the build on this one, I'm thinking we're gonna be going like a 2J. But if we're able to find like an affordable 7M, go back to the original 7M. So it is a 5-speed manual. Let me show you the interior. It is a little, it's a little bit missing everything in here, but it has a burgundy interior. What I'm going to do is actually get rid of the burgundy and go gray interior. As you can tell, the seats, I've seen better days. Car has just been sitting. We're missing door panels, and we're missing a dash. Gonna go ahead and replace this steering wheel. I mean, it's gonna be an expensive part to find a dash, probably with the seats, but we got a carpet, so we're gonna get a black carpet replacement here soon. Everything in the back also missing, but as you can tell, unlike the last Supra, this one has no rust underneath, and nothing is cracking due to the rust. So again, really clean shell. I'm happy about this shell. This will be a good build to go off of. With this one, we'll probably do like a quick flip, fix it, get it running. It's a tracker top, so the top comes off, but with this top here, it's tweaked because it flew off on the freeway. So we already sourced another one at a junkyard, and we are going to be taking that one off and putting it on here. So close this door. Really good. And it comes with a exhaust for us. I forgot what brand this was again, but it's a Fat Boy. Okay, I think it's a something drag, I forgot what it's. So yeah, but it is raining. I just wanted to get this video out for you guys here, and it's like the trunk area, everything's clean here. You guys can tell, no rust. Move this stuff out. Like I said, it's a manual, so it's gonna be fun. So yeah, make sure you guys give a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for the videos on this build, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.